Top 5 places in New York for ping pong fun, famous friends and family playing spots. Welcome back, fellow travelers, to another exciting episode on our travel and events channel. Today, we're diving into the thrilling world of table tennis in the vibrant city of New York. Join us as we unveil the top 5 places to play table tennis and discover the famous friends and family playing spots.
If you're passionate about this thrilling sport and eager to master your skills, look no further. Visit our website, where you'll find a comprehensive guide that covers everything you need to know about table tennis. From beginner tips to advanced techniques, equipment recommendations to strategy insights, our website is your go-to resource. Click the link in the description to embark on your journey to table tennis mastery.
Let's get the ball rolling. Spin New York, a social club like no other. Our first stop takes us to the renowned Spin New York, a table tennis social club that promises an unforgettable experience. Situated in the lively Flatiron district, Spin boasts stylish decor, an electric atmosphere, and top-notch equipment. Get ready to challenge your travel buddies to intense matches while enjoying the energetic vibes of this buzzing hotspot. Westchester Table Tennis Center, where champions rise. Venturing just outside the city limits, we arrive at the Westchester Table Tennis Center in Pleasantville. This premier facility caters to players of all skill levels and is a hub for table tennis enthusiasts. From casual players to aspiring champions, Westchester Table Tennis Center offers a spacious playing area, professional tables, and a welcoming community. Who knows, you might even encounter some rising stars honing their skills. Bryant Park, ping pong amidst urban serenity. Next on our journey, we explore the heart of Manhattan and uncover an unexpected gem, Bryant Park. This iconic urban oasis not only provides a tranquil escape from the bustling city streets, but also offers free outdoor table tennis. Grab a paddle, gather your friends and family, and enjoy some friendly matches in the midst of this picturesque setting. Just remember, availability may vary depending on the season, so plan accordingly. Fat Cat, where fun knows no bounds. Prepare for a unique twist as we head to Fat Cat in the vibrant West Village. This eclectic game center has carved out a special place for table tennis enthusiasts. With multiple tables and a funky atmosphere, Fat Cat guarantees endless hours of fun for players of all levels. Keep an eye out for their exciting tournaments and leagues, where you might witness some seriously talented ping pong players showcasing their skills. Brooklyn Table Tennis Club, a community's ping pong paradise. Our final stop takes us to the Brooklyn Table Tennis Club in the dynamic neighborhood of Sunset Park. If you're seeking a dedicated space for table tennis, this is the place to be. Equipped with professional-grade tables and offering coaching services, the club caters to players of all ages and skill levels. Engage in thrilling matches, make new friends, and soak up the vibrant ping pong community that calls Brooklyn Table Tennis Club home. And that's a wrap, fellow adventurers. We've explored the top 5 places to play table tennis in New York, and we hope you're as excited as we are to dive into this thrilling sport. Whether you're a ping pong pro or a beginner looking for some friendly competition, New York City has something for everyone. So, grab your paddles, bring your loved ones, and embark on a table tennis adventure you won't soon forget. Stay tuned for more exciting travel and events content, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Until next time, safe travels.